So this video is to review how to add contacts in a bulk format. So what we're going to do is go to our contact section in the menu, which is on the left-hand side of the screen. And then up here we have our icons that are at, if you see my cursor, you can see it going across the screen where the descriptions are popping up. We're going to go to the one that says import contacts. That's the one that has the downward arrow going into the box or half box. So we're going to click on that. And the type of file we have to upload would be a CSV file, which is also like a spreadsheet. You can do it from Google Sheets or Excel, but just make sure that the format is a CSV, not a Excel, XSL or XSLX. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on upload a file. And then not sure if you could see my files or whatnot. But I'm going to click on my file and have it uploaded into the screen here. All right. So that was successful with the upload. Okay. And then we're going to click on the green button that says next. All right. So here is what it's doing, is giving you a preview of what you will see and what headers are attached to what fields. So on the left-hand side here, we got our matched, anything that matched successfully, that was fine. And that'll have a green check mark with a green circle around it. The next column we have is our column header from file. This is the header that it pulled from the file that I inputted. So I only had 3 headers. One was a name column, a phone column, and an email column. And then the preview of the information that was in that column will be here in the preview information column on your screen. And then you'll see the type of information that it will be pulling. You can verify that to make sure that it looks okay. Mine looks okay because I do recall having that information in there. Actually, that's not right. So let me try that again. All right. Okay. So let me actually cancel. We're going to try that one more time. Okay. That's the correct phone numbers. My apologies. And here we go. For your contact fields, you just match it to what you see from the header. If the contact fields are matched with what information you want plugged in there, then I would leave it. It'll automatically pull the matching header from your file to the contact fields that they have listed inside of 360. So if they look good to you, then keep it. If not, then you might want to click on the drop down here and then select what it would actually go to. So let me scroll this down a little bit so you can see. Okay, so these are your choices that you will have. These are automatically already in here. So you choose what you deem as fit for your row. Okay, all of this looks good on my end. So I'm going to click on the next button, which is the green button in the lower right-hand corner. And your import name, you can change it if you want. You can leave it. Let's see, for your advanced buttons here, you can select whether you want to just add these as new contact records, if you want to update existing contact records. So like say if you have some contacts on your bulk list that already exist, but it has like different information on it or new or updated information on it, then you can click on this. What I like to do is just keep it as add new and update existing contact records. Because let's say if you have a ton of records already out there. And then you might not know whether you have existing contacts there or not. So just as a precautionary, then you can just do that if you do have some updated information. If not, then you can just click on add new contact records. All right. So if you also do have some contact records, you can't locate them because you do have a lot, you can just click on this drop down box here, and it'll help you search by email or by phone number for the existing records. I'm going to change mine to none. And we can leave that as that. And then you can also add a tag to this particular import as well too. So anything that you end up adding into 360, you can attach like some type of like a tag to it. Like, let's say if I had uploaded this from my phone and these are my personal contacts, and then I could just put, personal contacts, or, something like from phone or something like that, whatever have you, you can do that. So make sure that you click on this to make it stay. And then now you have your tag. The add new contacts to workflow and campaign, we're going to leave that as is because that's a little bit more advanced. And right now we're just working on basic bulk imports. And then we're going to click on this box right here at the bottom of the screen that says, I confirm all contacts in this import have consented to hear from us. I previously contacted them within the past year, and this list is not from a third party. So that is true. We're going to click submit. Now, if we don't check that box, it's not going to let us it's not going to let us submit anyway. So let's click submit because that is true. All right, so our file is being processed. We can click this, click here, highlight to view the status of it. And right now it's processing. This is us right here. It's processing. It's at 0 right now. So we'll give it a minute to complete. Sometimes it might take a while, especially if you have a lot. This one shouldn't take too long. You can also view the details here, let you know that it's still processing. All right, so this is complete. So let's go check it out. We're going to click on this all button. You can see it highlighted as blue in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. We'll click that. And then here is our list. It added our phone numbers. It added the names successfully. Our emails added successfully. And it also added our tags.